Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar, Shaboozey, Drink Don't Need No Mix. A very easy song to play here. We're gonna learn this picking pattern and also combine this with a strumming pattern that works for the song. So let's go into this one. No need for any capo here. We're going clean, and we have the 4 chords: A minor, C, D minor, and F in the same order throughout the song. So let's take a look at the chords first. We have A minor, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have C next. Very easy transition there from A minor to C. You just lift off your ring finger, put it on the 3rd fret A, then second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have D minor next. So that is open D, second G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And then you have the F. So you can have this 2nd fret G string here. You normally use your mid finger for this note on the D minor. You can just keep that and have that as a point there to get the F chord. If you think it's too much to just have release everything and try to find your F, that is one trick here, technical stuff. You can just keep that one and you play your fingers, other fingers around that note. And you get this position. That's a bar chord F. You play the index finger on 1st fret and you bar all strings there. Then you have this 2nd fret G string, the note there, and then 3rd A and 3rd D. All right. That's the F. So we have a melody that goes like this. All right. So chord by chord, we're gonna start with A minor. You're gonna play open A, second D, and then 2 notes together. The 2nd G string and 1st B you pick together, and kill the sound with a clap. Okay, that's A minor. The 2nd chord here, C, will be the same patterns for all these chords actually. So it goes. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, and then open G and 1st B together, and a clap. D minor next, it goes. So that is open D, 2nd G, and then 2nd G and 3rd B together, and a clap. And the final chord F, it goes 1st E string in the bass, 3rd D, and then 2nd G and 1st B together, and the clap. So one round goes. Alright, you can do that from the beginning till the very end, or alternate that with a strumming pattern. So if you go back to the 1st chord, A minor, one strumming pattern will be. Alright, so it's down, up, clap. So down, up, clap, and then up, down, up. So together will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. You're gonna play one of these string rounds per chord in the same chord progression, of course. So A minor, C, D minor, F goes like this. So forth. So yes, thank you for watching, guys. Shaboozey's Drink Don't Need No Mix. Melody or strumming, good luck and play tuned.